Hello there guys, welcome to JMB channel. My DIY phone pouch. This is my DIY phone pouch. I'm still making it. It's almost done. This is the last one for the button. See, I already made a hole in here for the button, and at the back is this is for neck pouch. Look, so I will show you guys when I'm done. And this is already done, so I already have a lock in here, and I will put now the phone inside of it. This is it. So I made a hole and put the phone on it. Wait, hold on, I don't have, wait first. And this is it guys, my neck phone holder. So it will be placed on my neck, okay, because it's short, strap is short, so this is really for my neck, especially for my neck. So it will be on my chest, this phone will be on my chest. There it is guys, my phone pouch, DIY phone pouch. So I can vlog outside because the camera is just right here, okay, so the camera is just right there, and I can vlog outside without holding my phone, right? Thank you so much guys for watching my video. See you guys next time on my next vlog. Bye.